Shugor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society, Kalapanong yung jingpan inam ni ka fashion show yung Jaiñ ki balaso di ki self-help group, ki bawan ba ni shimenta ha ka 5th Meghalaya Saras Aajeevika Fair Araja Arpasaw, ka balapanong ha ka khatlay tarik menta upnay ha Mawïongrim Persya ka Shulong Hyundai. Kani ka jingpan inam yung ki mar ki mata balawan ra di ki self-help group ha Mawïongrim, lasdang na do ka santarik bankut ha do ka khat santarik menta upnay. Haga jan mi ajong khatlay tarik menta ubnai no pra la pendong yang jingpen ina mi ki jan hag bagi don palat ar pasangut ki samla kan thei bat ki hybrid ki bala mi sharan san ban phong de ki sopti bat ki Jaiñ sem bala su de ki self help group haga ni ki jan mi uba Frederick Roy Kharkongor IS ubade principal secretary katna textile jong ka sarkar jila ulalong kumukong san haga jindon lang USC Sadhu IS ubabat kumu director ka CNRD block jong ka sarkar jila UCH Ramakrishna IS chief Executive Officer MSRLS haga jing sa khilang ki dukhot na ki self-help group ki bawan na kaleng ka jila.
Design but agaju ko por ki bawan akni karansan man Pyni ye ki riam ki ipang jung kiru. In the textile department we always promote farm to fiber, fiber to fabric and fabric to fashion. A comprehensive set of activities that should be indigenously packaged from the state for the state and to be local, to be vocal for local, as they say. I am particularly happy and delighted to see that the Kneng embroidery was displayed here at this forum, at this platform, and because it was a dying art. The Kneng embroidery, though it is 200 years old, was a dying art, and it was left to only about 10 women. 10 women were there who were practicing Kneng. But I'm happy to see that now there's a resurgence, and it was wonderful to see all those designs and patterns which were displayed by the SAG members, by the crafts people up here, with the help of MSRLS and Usha, who have come together in this beautiful effort. There's a synergy of various teams who have come together to ensure that there is a resurgence and a new recognition of the traditional arts. Having said that, it's indeed a very laudable initiative on both the part of the MSRLS as well as the Usha to ensure that there is the empowering of women, there is the skilling of the SAG members to give them a new sense of hope. I was sitting with Mr. Ramakrishna and I was asking him, what is the Hindi word for Usha? So he said it's dawn, the dawn of new hope. And also I would like to talk about Urja. Urja is energy. So combination of Usha and Urja between MSRLS and Usha together, I think, creates a wonderful outcome. So there's a combination of the dawn of hope and the energy and the passion that brings together a beautiful outcome like the one that we have seen. And I think MSRLS and Usha deserve a round of applause. Talking about this synergy, I think the other quality that will always work is something that sounds like a degree, but it's not. I'll talk about PhD. PhD, not in the sense of a doctorate, but PhD, where P stands for passion, H stands for hard work, and D stands for diligence, devotion, and dedication. I think it's a combination of passion, hard work, devotion, diligence, and devotion that brings together wonderful outcomes, meaningful outcomes, and we are very hopeful that this partnership between the MSRLS and the Usha will go to the next level and will bring about new momentum and new dynamism into the livelihoods and into the empowerment of our last mile, because they say that little drops make an ocean, and it is small efforts like these which combine and bring about huge results. to take the example of Amul, which is the Anand Milk Union Limited, where farmers who had very limited capacity for bringing milk, when they were organized together into the Anand Milk Union Limited, now we know it as Amul. It has gone beyond the district of Anand, beyond the state of Gujarat, beyond India, and now Amul is a brand that is recognized all over the world. In the same way, the efforts that you have put in together by both the agencies, MSRLS as well as Usha, I think together it's a powerful combination, as I said some minutes ago, of Usha as well as Urja, and may this hope continue to be implanted and this seed continue to blossom and also new roots and new wings take shape with hopes and dreams for the SHG members. I thank all of those who are involved in this beautiful endeavor, and I wish more power to all of you, and we hope that there will be spectacular results in the years ahead through this partnership. Once again, good evening and thank you in Meghalaya. At the very outset, let me extend my heartiest congratulations to the MSRLS and the Usha for having organized a very spectacular display of fashion and blending the indigenous patterns with modern designs. I have seen many costume displays because I am in the textile department, but I must say that this is something which is very special because not only is it stitched and designed by the participants, but they also did the round of modeling. So I think they deserve a big applause for all their efforts. Ko apna ikhulay kripang ye kito ki ba la shimbenta akne ka program khamtam kito ki bala.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a big round of applause. Remember, they are the ones who designed the outfit, tailored the outfit, and also modeled the outfit. I think they deserve a big applause from all of you. come to this stage for the last time. Please remember that they design, they stitch, and they model their own clothes. Chris Kurba, a professional male model who has represented several prominent brands such as Jack & Jones and Pantaloons. His guidance and expertise has been instrumental in helping the organization Usha. Please accompany Chris Kurba. Please give him a big round of applause. Thak di kham jam